Well, it's Saturday, the 21st, about 1:30. I had to work today, just got here. Doug's getting ready to leave. Been piddling.
Got the crew chiefs here. They're working hard, as you can see. We did get the 438 back. It come in Wednesday. Fresh, updated, ready to go. And this one will be going in a new car. So it'll be going to Daryn's soon.
Daryn's gonna be going on vacation all next week.
Daryn mentioned about sending the carburetor in. I sent it to KB today. They'll have it Wednesday, get gone through. They said that they would have it back to us by March 14th, which is our first scheduled race. See how that goes.
Douglas will have to stay up on that.
This was the door off the toter where the sewer tanks are. That's all salt. Ate that inner door panel up. He's got the new one made, ready to go on.
Very good.
Tacking her up. You want me to push, or we're definitely gonna have to push on that?
Yeah, push, go up a little bit. Let's go right here. Okay, let's go to about right here.
No, Doug, getting with it.
Got our new bars in for hang sides on left side and right side. We can hang a door and a quarter on each one of them, and it's ready to rock.
Well, floor's in it, tacked up. Put the new bars in it.
Got her prepped to paint Thursday night. And get her all painted up. Instead of, I mean, it's coming off there, flaking off over here.
If you guys want to see something crazy, craziest thing I've ever saw, go to Jason Fager's YouTube page. Check out his second New Zealand video and watch the super stocks. Holy cow, it's roller derby with race cars.
I'm getting ready to show Doug this now.
And I did this. I got us all the lubes for in there. Just, we never had it when we're working on it.
He got the door panel in. It's looking nice. Got some windshield washer fluid because we were about empty on the truck. Got to put that in. That's the lift we've been using. The hoses, tote. It's all got to go to Daryn's Thursday night. And she's shined up good. Almost hate to take it outside.
Well, here she is in all her glory.
All black. They got to ship us the fuel cell. They're on back order. That's always fun. She got hauled back in a rainstorm on an open trailer. She needs wiped down. Doug's checking her all out. It's Thursday night. We gotta get this pump pulled out of here. They're coming tomorrow to get the old lift. The new lift's not here. Might be here tomorrow or Monday. I'd say we'll make our first start in the old car this year. Because I don't know that this one's going to be ready in 2 weeks.
2 weeks after Eldora.
Yeah. Did you find it? Just grab it with the grapple bucket. Doug's checking her all out. Well, we got the pump out of there, battery out. Got the pump back in the container. Gonna get ends for that to send with it.
I'm trying to think, I thought that was a new set that matched.
Or what's gonna go into this lift? Oh shit, either which way. Just leave, well.
I'm confused, because this is where it comes apart.
Well, the goal today is get the mid-plate flywheel bell housing all on here. We got to take this stand off, adapt this stand to bolt there, the other one will bolt up fine, because we can't put the mid-plate on with this stand because it's got to go flush against the bell housing. It's Saturday morning. It'll be a short day here, but we're trying to get something done. This is all got to be taken apart, cleaned up. These lines go with that motor. Fun and joys of racing. Looks like we will probably start out the year in this car. Means we're 2 weeks from today is opening night at Highland. And hopefully our carburetor's back by then. I don't know if I said, but Daryn come a week and a half ago and said, hey, we need to send that carburetor in. There's a problem with the base plate. Hudson, come over here. Hudson, come over here. I shipped it to them Saturday. They should have got it by Wednesday. He assured that he would have it back to us by the 14th. So we'll see how that plays out. We did get the crash cart all done. It was 75 degrees yesterday, so we rolled it outside. Got her all painted up. Looking good. What is that? Is that the trailer? Is that the truck? Countdown is on to race day. Come on. Well, we made one plate. It folded like a wet noodle. What? We stopped it before it folded, but had to beef it up. 1 step forward, 2 steps back. That's the way it always goes. I've got lines flushing. And then part solvent, just to get them clean. We didn't blow a motor or anything, so there shouldn't be anything in there, just flushing them out. These 3 are done. Struggling to get that one off. It's gonna be a 2-man job once Doug gets them in it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
You need more what? More what?
Flywheel going on.
More?
What do you need more of?
You say bottle caps?
What do you say? You're welcome.
Well, we got her all on there. The header studs in.
It's about ready to go to Daryn's house. Go in the new car. What do you think?
It's definitely Doug made shim.
I got to get the oil pump out of this car. It's a rotary pump. That's what Andy recommends. Not that there's anything wrong with this pump. We ran it last year, and this pump will go on that car. Daryn just wants that pump for that motor in the new car. Got all the lines flushed, cleaned up. We're going to get that motor, that pump out, put it on this motor, put the lines on it to go to the motor so they're ready to go. Just looked at the forecast for next week. It was 75 yesterday, gonna be 60 today, 43 tomorrow with freezing rain, chance of snow tomorrow night, and then rain every day, at least 70% chance until next Saturday. So if we get that much rain
And it stays cool.
I don't see Highland racing in 2 weeks, which we could use an extra week or two.
It's getting close to go time, crunch time. Truck is about 95% done. Got a couple more small things we want to do to it, and it's ready to go.
What off season? Well, it's 12:30. We're getting out of here. Doug's got family stuff to do. I got stuff I got to get done this afternoon, but we will catch you all later. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right-hand corner. Make sure you hit that bell so you get the notification.
Come by.